hei hi Akashvani aizolani chanchin thar achiar tu civil ruata Mizoram Assembly in thlan lo tura vote hak ni tura ruat November ni sari main chokar khat chuang hret chaw awm to a political party hrang in thlin ngei tumin an beingor hle Election Commission du dan anga kumin Mizoram Assembly in thlan lo tura kum upalam le vobik ten postal ballot manga vote an thak theidan tu ruwa manna chukal pui chho mek ani Prime Minister Narendra Modi an October ni somthum pakhat khian rampum huapa thalai te mason na thur bing na tur mera yuwa bharat khu hon ani ang ati voin khan Kerala a Christian te tongtai in khom bom manga beina mi pakhat athia midang somni chuang an hliam Mizoram Assembly in thlan lo tura vote hak ni tura ruat November ni sari main chokar khat chuang hret chaw awm to a political party hrang in thlin ngei tumin an beingor to hle Tualto party lian pani MNF le ZPM te chu an campaign ngor leya MPF lamin intin tlo an khap to chungin candidate le an mani puitu ten kholaya te mi pui ko khomin wantlang in khom ba ka ruam man hrang an siama vengtin le khotina campaign pisa siamin an beingor leya rampum huwa party BJP le Congress te chu khulama an milang sar le hruai tulok ten an ron campaign pui all lova Tuna hian BJP hruaitu Union Minister for Arts Science pu Kiren Rijiju te an party thupuang tu pu M Kikon le midang ten anom chil meka Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways pu Nitin Gadkari chu naktuk hian West Phaileng tloin aron campaign dona Union Home Minister pu Amit Shah po local atuma a local huntur ti chian alani lo Tuna hian Union Minister of State for Minority Affairs pu John Barla chuan Mamit District athuchil meka Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Puwai Paton po mamita au mek bok ani Congress hruai tulok pu Rahul Gandhi chuan an party tan bek pui thlakin ni thumzet aron cham to a Commerce Minister Luile AICC General Secretary pu Jairam Ramesh alokal to a Karnataka Minister Zinga Christian pu KJ George po ni chamin aron campaigna pu Rahul Gandhi Farnu Priyanka Gandhi Vadra Baka an MP chuan vor Shashi Tharoor po local turin ain ruah mana pu Shashi Tharoor hi November ni thuma lo thlengin atuk November ni lia press conference baka manikut koya ejong tele zirlai rual ati ti puidon ani Bharatiya Janata Party BJP National President pu Jagannath Prakash Nadda chuan chongte atlo Nimin Khan BJP National President pu JP Nadda chuan chongte tlo in Assembly in thlan pui tura Mizoram an candidate ten ne na an chan theinan a campaign puya BJP chu India kai hruai turin a thabera sarkara telvea masona na tho puya mi pui asoma longtlai district a campaign boruwa ka tang chho viau to a pu JP Nadda chuan Prime Minister Narendra Modi kai hruai sarkar lai pui chuan mathir thatak nein Mizoram masona atan malakna enga moza ta kalpuya Vanduai thak takin MNF sarkarin angai saklawa wangle eruk na chuan Mizoram masona ati thuan opa mi pui mamo bul pui chuan amamo tu ten hen a thleng theilawani ati BJP hruai tu chuan BJP hnuaya Mizonun phung alo thang liananga state masona chuan tun ma a lom ngai lo sang taka Mizoram chu a hlang ka yang ti mi puite atiam ti asoi chongte khelmuala pu JP Nadda thu soi ngai thlatur hian mi pui thanem takan pung khoma longtlai district a BJP candidate le district hruai tu ten BJP president hi an lo dong song ani Election Commission du dan anga kumin Mizoram Assembly in thlan lo tura kum upalam le vobik ten postal ballot manga vote an thak theidan tur ruam mana chukal pui chho mekania Election Department thu nei tu ten hena tanga thun danin kum somriat chunglam le vobik person with disabilities tetana an mani in lum ngeya vote an thak theina tan hian Election Commission of India chuan kumin Assembly in thana tang khan ruwa manna asiama hetianga mani in luma tanga vote thak tur te tan hian ballot paper siamania election official ten ruwa manna siamin an kalchila vote an thak tir ani hetianga mani chena in a vote thak dil na hi Election Department chuan sangni somko panga adong to ani Nimin Khan Kolsip District chung Assembly Bial Thuma in luma vote thak du te polin vote thak tirania Turial Assembly Bial polling station paru khuam chunga kum upalam somin vote an thaka polling station pahnia vobik pahnin an thlak boka Kolsip Assembly biala polling station kuwa a kum upa somni pathum le polling station pakhat nuaya vobik pakhatin vote an thlak boka Serlui biala polling station pariat huam chunga kum upa mi somni panga in vote an thlaka vobik vote thlak an omlo ani heti hian Kolsip district pumpuya bial thuma kum upa mi somnga pariat le vobik pathumin vote an thlak to ani postal ballot manga vote hak dil sak kum upa le vobik te hi Champhai district chunga bial thum Champhai north Champhai south le east tuipui bialami te chu tlo chuan in mobile polling team ten postal ballot mangin vote an thlak tir don bok ani Mizoram People's Forum MPF in than lo om tur chungchanga thu chua asiam chu Mizoram Presbyterian ko hran chuan tual chung ko hran biak in tina chiar chua turin athon dar MPF thu chua hian political party tenena anin remna thutlung chu MPF in adu aduan political party te apom tira nilowa MPF le political party sang hruai tu ten tum engamozat uluk to ka soi howa an ruwa manhua MPF hruai tu te le political party president thewin an ming anzia nan ani bok tia tarlan ania tho hona thutlungin atarlan angin in than puan hua chuan political party ten kongzo hi anti to tur anilowa heti lai hian tun hnaya mun than kata thuthung bo chia kongzo thom hriat tur om tanual chu poyan ti thu an soi political party ten thuthung hi za kongzo huai hodlo tur ania tho hona thuthungin atarlan angin candidate ten hena mimal le pol minga thildil ti lo tur ania khotlang huwa pa candidate te in tiamna neitir po ti lo tur ania hetiang hi tu lova candidate te sum sen tirna ani awangin ching hau lo turin mi puite an ngen thar le bok ani social media sangsanga in than chungchanga thubel chian do lo the dar le mimal in beina u chuak lu tukte ti lo turin mi puite MPF chuan an ngena hetiang awmani chuan thunei tu te hena mala tura thlen ani ang ati boka ECI model code of conduct le tho hona thu thungin aphal lo angin mi puin hena thil chi sang semte ti lo turania ti shat sempo ti to lo turin candidate te an ngen bok ani chanchin thar hi All India Radio aizola tanga puanani Prime Minister Narendra Modi an October ni somthum pakhat Sardar Patela pian cham phapha ka khian rampum huwa pa thalai te maso na thur bing na tur Mera Yuva Bharat khu hon ani ang ati Prime Minister chuan Amrit Kalash Yatra ramtana nuna hlan ta hriat rengna hun mor bok na chu Delhiya Kartavya patha ni somthum pakhat khian buat sai ani tur thu asoi bok Voin Khan Prime Minister Narendra Modi chuan Akashvania Man Ki Baat program a thu cha asoilia Amrit Kalash Yatra nuaya ramchung mun tina tanga leila khom ta chu Delhiya thlengmeka hengte hi Delhiya din tur Bharat Kalash le Amrit Vatika ate da ani ang atibok kumni le achan vezet local puito India jalena kum somsari pangana lomna Azatika Amrit Mahotsav chu October ni somthum pakhat khian ti top ani to dona hemini hian Iron Man tia ahmingan vua Sardar Vallabhbhai Patela pian cham phaphak chu India chuan alom dona Narendra Modi chuan midang ne na te khin rualo Patelan ramtana an tho chu India chuan a hereng to donani ati Voinman ki bata khan Narendra Modi chuan October ni somthum pakhata athi champha lo thleng tur Prime Minister Hlui Indira Gandhi chu za na ahlan bok ani Voin Khan Kerala Kochia Kalamassery a Jehovah Witness Paul Tongtai in khomna Convention Center chu bom manga beania mi pakhata thia midang somni chuang an hliam mitam hutu te soidanin Convention Center a hian bom hi voi ni aya tlem lo apuaka poi khoyani lai hian Convention Center a hian state chung mun sang train Christian sang ni chuang an pung khomani he bom puana hian ruang pakhat ut vekto mu ania meichia nia hriatani Convention Center a hian bom apua nu hian kangme chuak zui ngala kang thel pol ten an thel ngal ani he mun hi tlo polo tura khar khip ngal ania eng pol main antia an la chal lova police ten poi khoina mun hi an pan ngala chui zui me kania he thila wang hian Kerala state chu aral khel le ani chanchin thar puan ti to main chanchin tlang pui Mizoram Assembly in than lo om tura vote hak ni tura ruat November ni sari hmain chawlkar khat chuang hret chau om toa political party sang in thlin ngei tumin an beingor to hle election commission dudan anga kumin Mizoram Assembly in than lo om tura kum upalam le vobik ten postal ballot manga vote an thak theidan tu ruwa mana chukal pui chho mekani Prime Minister Narendra Modi an October ni somthum pakhat khian rampum huwa pachalai te mason na thur bing na tur mera iwa bharat khu hon ani ang ati voin khan Kerala Christian te tongta in khom bom manga beina mi pakhat athia midang somni chuang an hliam chuti jong chu chanchin thar kan puan thei chu ani